again, this is David from SoftPlanet, and we're going to take a look at Audacity, a free and easy-to-use audio editor and recorder for Windows, Mac OS X, GNU Linux, and other operating systems. There are over 20 languages from which you can choose during the installation process. The rest of the process is pretty standard, and when the installer finishes copying files to your disk, it gives you some preliminary information. The removal process is typical as well, with one caveat. After you are done with the uninstallation, the app tells you that some elements cannot be removed, and you must remove them manually. Like any other open source program, Audacity gives you a lot of freedom, but not only because it is free, but also because anyone can delve into the program, make it better, and then share it with everyone. This ensures that the app will not be improved only by developers, but also by a large community of motivated users. An app that is much more user-centralized is thus created and tends to get better if more people use it. For that reason, Audacity isn't so much focused on interface, but on functionality. Audacity 2.0.5 is the latest software release of the program and comes with some bug fixes. For instance, it will record until the current input is reselected. There were a few small stability issues as well, which no longer exist in this new version of the software. Activating recording turns Audacity into a tool that can save the audio from whole concerts. With it, the app can make recordings from several tracks, creating songs that resemble songs created by an expensive recording program, such as Adobe Audition, or created in a professional studio. To increase its functionality, the program uses several formats, among which WAV, MP2, MP3, AIF, FLAC AU, and more, ensuring that you'll be able to work with and convert to most popular formats. In this way, you can work not only with WAV files, like most of the recording programs, but also directly with MP3 without converting it. Functionality is the main thrust of the interface of Audacity, so the app looks as simple as possible. There may be a lot of functions, but they are indicated with simple icons which may not be intuitively obvious to some users. But for serious users, this should not be a hindrance because the app has so many functions. You can do a lot of things with it from the main screen, which is filled with tools, but also you can see 8 tabs at the top: File, Edit, View, Transport, Tracks, Generate, Effect, Analyze, and there's also a Help tab. If you've used any recording software at all, you'll likely be able to figure these out. All operations with Audacity can be made quickly once you learn the different icons. Though it may take some time to grasp their functions for some, once you do, you'll be able to do whatever you want with your audio file. For example, you can speed up or slow down any song, cut and paste any selected segment, undo and redo changes, add silence or remove it, and add many effects. On top of that, you can analyze pretty much any song or audio track. If you do have a problem, then you can use the Help tab menu created by the Audacity team to research answers and options. Audacity is powerful software which should work well for most serious audio users. There are so many features that you may never use them all, but if you're looking for an audio creating, mixing, and arranging app with the extreme customization and updatability that open source software offers, then give Audacity a try. Check out the full review on softplanet.com as always, and download it if you so desire by clicking on the link in the description below and following the instructions on the SoftPlanet page. Thank you.